In this lesson, we'll be talking about using ChatGPT for product description. Here, I'm going to paste an Amazon link straight into ChatGPT and ask it to write a 500-word description about the product. As you can see, all I did was just paste in the link straight from Amazon, and ChatGPT is getting to work. That makes everything so easy. So here's a quick look at what the product is. Now let's look at what ChatGPT wrote about it. The Hustle Humble neon sign is a perfect addition to any living space, office, or commercial establishment looking to add some ambience and character. The sign is made of high-quality LED tubing and can easily be mounted to the wall with the included mounting kit. Its design features the words Hustle Humble in a stylish font that is sure to catch the eye. This is really incredible that ChatGPT is able to do all of this accurately just from a link. Now I'm going to ask to rewrite this for a target audience of entrepreneurs. You can see already it's getting to work using the word entrepreneur. It's talking about the workspace. It's talking about motivational message, the road to success, work hard, stay focused. Get yours today and stay motivated on your journey to success. So it knows my target audience and it wrote the description targeted to them. Now I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write from scratch a description of some noise-canceling headphones without pasting in a URL. I'm asking, please write a 300-word product description for noise-canceling headphones. My target audience is music producers. So you can see, as a music producer, you know how crucial it is to have reliable and high-quality pair of headphones to ensure that you're able to produce the best possible sound. This is really amazing. ChatGPT is able to write the product descriptions for links that you already have on Amazon or a new description based on what input you give it. So this is just to show you how powerful this tool is, and I'm sure you'll be using ChatGPT to help write your next product description.